What's up, everybody? It's your girl Paris Diaz here, and oh my god, it is my second video. I'm doing good. We being consistent. But today is going to be a show and tell. I got some home items from H&M, and I'm going to kind of redecorate my Zen jungle area. So I got a lot of these items to do like DIYs with. So these will be in future videos, but I just want to talk about H&M home section because I love it. Yeah. I used to work at the H&M downtown, and when the home section finally came, I was blown away. There's so many good items for affordable pricing, and they have a lot of like the trends out now. So yeah, I didn't go crazy. I got 7 items total, but I really feel like this is going to kind of upscale my area and make it look even better. So let's get into it. Okay, so I got 2 huge boxes. So I think I already know what this one is. I already opened it. Yeah. So they have posters, and this is the poster that I ended up getting. She is gorgeous. When I saw it online, I thought it was gonna be smaller than this, so I thought they were already gonna send it framed. But that what makes it even better is that I can frame it myself. And it's huge. Oh, it's bigger than what I expected. Oh yes, y'all, this is definitely about to enhance this area, and it's worth it. I think I spent, it was on sale for $17. So if you see this here, I'm actually gonna replace this photo of that lily back there with her, kind of give it the house more of like black paint, like black artists and stuff. So I actually might use that frame and put her in that frame. Oh, DIY is about to be hitting, y'all. Oh, I just thought she is gorgeous. And to be honest with you, I did not pay attention to the sizing of the poster on the website. So right now I'm just blown away because it's bigger than what I expected. Okay, y'all, we're about to go on to the next product. And it is this like woven hanging wall basket. So basically it'll hang on the wall like this with a little hook. Y'all, I can't wait because this is like making me super excited because everything that I bought I thought was going to be smaller than what I got. So these actually, I can put planters in here, and I'm going to hang them once I change everything around over here. I'm going to hang them on the wall. I ended up getting 3 total, so I can hit boom, boom, boom. Beautiful. It's about to be spring, so it's definitely going to be plant season. So I'm gonna be getting like a couple more house plants because some of them are, that one, she gotta go. I got these pillowcases. I want to get a little rug for this area. So if you guys notice that I'm kind of going with this style here and trying to bring it into the pillowcases I'm gonna throw there. I guess it'll be cute. You know, I can't judge right now. Put it together and then fix after, right? So this is what this pillowcase looks like. I'll hold it right. Got like little fringes, but then it also has like that woven look, you know, to kind of tie all of these woven features that I'm gonna put in over here. Do that look cute? That look cute, I guess, whatever. But yeah, I got 2 of those. And then lastly, stone salt and pepper like container. You got the salt and pepper one. Then you get these adorable, cute little golden spoons to scoop out, and you get 2 of them. Y'all, if this doesn't scream, I'm about to be a fancy bitch with a gold holder. Oh y'all, I thought this was so cute. Look at that. especially like it. Y'all hear my slippers? I'm excited. I don't even think I can post this video because I'm so excited. Oh God. But that is all that I have. The next video will definitely be DIY videos on how I actually use all these items, change up this area. I might just throw the videos together because they're so short. So yeah, that's it for the haul.